Well, it doesn't get much better than this. We are in Paradise Valley in front of Camelback Mountain. I'm so excited to introduce you to luxury designer Stephanie Larsen. My name is Theresa Krakauer, and this is the American Dream. Well, I wanted to talk a little bit more about your the way you see things going in 2026. Can you shed some light on what's being designed there, or what's being started to be incorporated into homes?
So I really am big on wellness, and I feel like wellness is being incorporated into the home so much more nowadays. Instead of going to the gym, instead of going to the massage parlor, instead of going to a pool, people are incorporating those things into their home. So they have a pool, they have a spa, they have a cold plunge. I'm incorporating a lot of cold plunges in my projects, saunas with red light therapy. All homes have a HIPPA air filtration system. Oh, so the air is pure. Water purification systems. One of the things I like to do in a bedroom is, of course, black out the entire room.
You had a name for that.
Sleep chamber.
A sleep chamber, oh my gosh.
So we create actual sleep chambers in a luxurious way. Organic bedding, everything is organic. Every fiber, everything that touches your skin, the mattress is organic, so you actually have the best sleep of your life. I love using Lutron and Ketra lighting. Lutron and Ketra lighting actually work with your circadian rhythm, so you don't have spikes in your nervous system. It's an amazing lighting system that's all controlled by an iPad or at the touch of a button, and it's actually designed for your wellness. So the lights go on as the sun rises, and then the lights come off as the sun sets.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
I know you and I were talking, and you said something about an invention in the kitchen, and it just blew my mind. For anybody that's a home chef, what is it that you can incorporate it into your kitchen for cooking and wellness?
I really like having an herb wall, so you can open, let's say, your window right at your sink, and you can pluck fresh herbs off an herb wall, and you can use those for your farm-to-table meal. And things like that are so important. Juicing stations, coffee bars. I see people getting away from drinking as much and just really incorporating more of a wellness aspect into their kitchens.
As an award-winning designer, you have access to pretty much anything that is demanded or needed by your luxury clients. I'm just wondering if you could tell us a little bit more about the things you chose for us to be sitting in today.
Actually, all of the pieces you see here are from Gallery Town. And for example, like this chair is Gervasoni from Italy. It's handcrafted. It's all sustainable material. And what I love about it is it's handmade by individual people. It's not, made in a big factory.
Right.
People care about their workers, and things like this is so important to me. We have these Mexa chairs that are hand woven in Guadalajara that are absolutely beautiful. And we have this rose unaki fabric that is actually made out of recycled bottles. Wow. So sustainable materials like that are so important to add to a home. I love Gallery of Town. I love shopping there. The staff is great. The people are great.
Do you find that you work with more luxury clients that are about to sell their home and they want you to come in and redesign it? Or do you find people designing a new home ground up? Or do they hire you after they buy a home to update certain things that really aren't to their liking?
So my absolute ideal client is working with a team. They're ready for their dream home. We have an incredible architect, we have an incredible landscape, we have a lighting designer, and we have a designer. So I think a team approach is so valuable because we all bring something to the table. So my ideal client is building a home or remodeling. There's so many Spanish-style Tuscan homes in the area that was so popular 15, 20 years ago that we can recreate those homes into more of a modern, organic Santa Barbara style. You can still use all of those beautiful elements, the S-tile roof, the terracotta, but you can lighten it and brighten it with white and things like that.
A huge shout out to our sponsor today, Gallery Town, which supplied a lot of the furnishings today. We're ending in a surprise location today. Can you tell me where we are, Stephanie?
We're actually standing in front of my Scottsdale location that I am so excited about. It's my new design studio in Old Town Scottsdale. We're under renovation, but we're going to be open in early October, and I can't wait.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. I learned so much. Theresa Krakauer, American Dream TV. We'll catch you again next time.